This is Algebra 1, Lesson 15, Practice Problem B, the surface area of a triangular prism. Find the surface area of this right triangular prism. Dimensions are in feet. Okay, so we got to look at all of our parts. So we're going to have a front here and a back. Okay, and that's the base of this prism because it's the triangle all the way through if you were to cut it. And those are the faces that are parallel to each other, so that also helps you know that you can use those as your base. They are triangles, so the area for a triangle is going to be 1/2, or better written, base times height divided by 2. So that's going to be our base times our height. So we're going to have 8 times 6 divided by 2, right? Now, we have 2 of those, right? Because you've got this front and you've got this back. So the way the book is going to list that, it's going to show then that you're doubling it. Well, what happens if you take half of something and then you double it? Well, it's as if you didn't do anything to it at all, right? So what we end up with is 48 square feet, because this 8, that's feet. This 6 is feet. You can do it this way. 8 times 6 is 48. Divide it by 2, you get 24. But then you're going to multiply it by 2, and you're going to get 48. So we've just found the front and the back. These are our bases. So I'm going to write under it front and back. And these are the bases. That just kind of helps me see. And let's even color code it so we can remember in just a minute what we were doing there. And we'll switch colors and we can go on to another side. Let's do this back side here. We'll call it the left. That has got a rectangle, right? And it is going to be 6 by this back measurement, which would be the same as this. Don't get confused with the 10. The 10 is here. Okay, so we're not talking about the 10 yet. We're talking about the back that I just colored. So here's 6, and then we need this distance, which is going to be the same as this. So it's going to be 12. So we can do that 6 times 12. So we're going to add to this a 6 times 12. Okay, and we can do that. 6 times 12 is just 72. So we're going to add to that 72 square feet. And that is the measurement of that left side. And we can get us another color here. And let's do this bottom. Okay, the one that it's sitting on. Okay, so if we labeled this one would be the left side. And now we're going to find the bottom, the side that it's sitting on. And it is going to be 8 by 12. So we're adding to it 8 by 12, and that is 96 square feet. So let's color code that. 96 square feet. And then what do we have left? Well, I'm going to uncolor everything for a second because I think that may make it a little bit easier. And you see that top there, it's in pink right now. What could we color it? Let's do, oh, we already had a yellow, didn't we? Did we have the blue? Yes, we did. We'll have to find us a cool. We'll just go with pink. How about that? We will go with pink. And it's already pink, so that'll be nice. It's just this whole slanty side here. We'll call this the right side. Okay, because it's coming to the right of the base. What do we need to do to find that measurement? Well, it is that slanty 10 times the 12. It's that rectangle. So we're adding 10 times 12, which is 120 square feet. And we'll use our cool pink right here. And what would we do with all of those? Well, we're going to have to add all of those up to be able to find our total surface area. So let's do that. When you add those up, you get 336 and it's all in square feet, and that is your total surface area of this triangular prism.